For days, Beryl has been the talk of the town as its forecast track has threatened the valley at times and now seems to be abandoning the valley. Take a look at Beryl, more than 300 miles southeast of the valley in the southwest Gulf of Mexico with winds of 60 miles an hour, moving northwest at 13 miles an hour. It is your basic tropical storm now. It got beat up over the Yucatan, died down, and is still a tropical storm. Now, it's expected to regain hurricane status as it moves to the northwest, but look, we're not even in the cone of probability anymore. No, it's gone too far east and continues to be drawn north by a couple of features. One, high pressure that's backing off, its influence is dying away east of us, and low pressure forming north of the storm track, which helps to draw it north. So now it's headed more toward Port Lavaca for a Monday morning landfall as a Category 1 with winds of 85 miles an hour. So taking everything into consideration, we still have the situation for the Rio Grande Valley shaking out with aggressive surf and some gusty winds. But look at inside that forecast fan, there are several forecast solutions. Everybody loves the spaghetti model, so I'll show you. And you can see they're all bundled very tight. Here's the valley, not a one coming our way. So yeah, that forecast fan is true. And you can see the tropical storm warning is in effect for the Rio Grande Valley due to the potential wind gusts and surf and coastal flooding that we may see. So a tropical storm warning, what does that mean? Well, it means that tropical storm conditions are expected within the warning area within 36 hours. The hurricane watch and storm surge watch, those I think are just being left in place. They were issued the other day. Now, and they remain in place. Hurricane warning on toward Kingsville north. So we are basically out of the play of the really dangerous stuff, but we still have to watch ourselves with the rain and the wind, especially lower valley. Near 80 degrees by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning with the chance for showers settling in, especially lower valley by 8 a.m. And then running through the day, the chance for rain and some rumbles of thunder kicks up to 60%. I want to warn everybody that tornado warnings are possible as Beryl gets closer because of the nature of the tropical nature of this system will help put a spin on the clusters of rain cells and thunderstorm cells. And that can be understood by the radar as a tornado. But more than likely, it won't be. Or if it is, it's just a very, very short-lived, low-range tornado that just is going to pop and go real fast. So I just want you to be aware of those. Those are the kinds that can tip over a trailer and then go away. Last 20 seconds and be gone. So those are the kind of things we'll look out for. As far as rainfall potential, these are percentages. 10% Rio Grande City, 30% McAllen. This is the chance that it will rain for tomorrow. 60% Harlingen. So you can see from the mid-valley to the lower valley, our chance for rain is looking good. And we'll basically follow the storm system as it moves to the north. There's Futurecast showing tomorrow afternoon around 4 o'clock. See, it's way offshore. And its influence, we will receive the furthest fetch of this thing, the wraparound, bringing showers around throughout the day tomorrow. That's about 10 p.m. and then running on into the morning, Monday morning, some leftovers, and then this thing makes landfall and heads on to the north. This forecast solution has it closer to Victoria, but still, I think we're looking somewhere in that range. Weather Prediction Center says, yep, you'll only get a few tenths to half an inch of rain in the upper valley, but you might see 2 to 2.5 inches of rain tomorrow and the next day for the lower valley. And the Burley breeze, what kind of wind can we expect? Well, I think we can expect along the coast tomorrow, especially afternoon to evening, wind gusts 30 to 40 miles an hour. Here in the valley in the spring, we call that Tuesday. It's not that spectacular. I want you to be just watching out for coastal flooding more than anything else, and don't go in the water for Pete's sake. 7-day forecast shakes out with the leftover thunderstorm and shower activity Monday morning, and then just basic afternoon showers Tuesday and Wednesday, back to normal for the second half of next week. That's the way it shakes out, and that's looking like Beryl is a big miss for the Rio Grande Valley. Thank goodness. Valley Storm Team forecast, that's it.